Hello, welcome to Easy English. So last week we made a video finding out what Brits thought about other Brits, which you can watch up here. But this week I thought it'd be fun to make a video about what British people think about the French.
I think Brits are a little bit jealous of French people, because French people, they've got great taste. It's regarding food, regarding cuisine and culture and arts, etc. But at the same time, I think Brits thinks that French people are a little bit like snobs.
What do you think about the French?
We love the French.
I think they're very nice. I love the countryside, love the food, but then I think sometimes they can be quite arrogant and rude sometimes to foreigners, but other times they're absolutely wonderful.
They're like very protective of their culture, but they will sort of invite you to share it with them.
Oh really? More so than British people?
Probably.
I think so, yeah.